How to calibrate GameSir Nova Lite. So the first step is turning on the controller. So power on your GameSir Nova Lite before starting your calibration. You can calibrate the controller whether it's connected wirelessly or by the USB. All right, and then the next step is entering the calibration mode. So press and hold the calibration button combination until the home light flashes white. So turn the controller on first. Once you have, press and hold the view option, that's the view button, plus the menu button, which is this button here, and then the home button. Keep holding until the home LED actually turns white slowly. It will begin blinking white slowly. This indicates that the controller has entered calibration mode, and then you can begin calibrating your sticks. That is rotating each analog stick through its full range of motion. Push the left stick to the outer edge and the right stick to the outer edge as well, and rotate it in a full circle 3 times, and you can repeat that on the left or on the right hand side. Be sure to move each stick all the way to its limit. And then in order to calibrate the triggers, all you need to do is fully press the left trigger 3 times and fully press the right trigger 3 times. And just save the calibration by pressing the A button on your controller. And begin testing the controller on any game you own on Steam or natively. Alright guys,